Most people think focus is about willpower or discipline, but in a world full of pings, notifications, and endless scrolling, your brain is being hijacked. What if you could reclaim your focus in just 4 weeks, systematically, without quitting your devices entirely? This is your deep work detox. Have you noticed how distracted you feel these days? You start your day with the best intentions, but by 10 a.m., you're already scrolling, checking messages, or hopping between tabs. You tell yourself you'll focus after one more scroll, but one more scroll turns into an hour. This isn't laziness. This is digital noise. Every ping, notification, or alert is hijacking your brain's focus circuitry. It's fragmenting your attention, draining your energy, and creating a constant state of cognitive fatigue. Studies show that multitasking and constant digital interruptions reduce productivity by up to 40%. But here's the good news. You can reclaim your focus, and you can do it in just 4 weeks with a systematic approach called the Deep Work Detox. Most people think focus is about willpower. They think if they just try harder, turn off social media, or force themselves to work, they'll succeed. But science says otherwise. Our brains are designed to seek stimulation. Dopamine hits from notifications, and social media create a feedback loop that makes distractions irresistible. When you rely only on willpower, you're fighting your own biology and losing. That's why a deep work detox works. It's not about discipline. It's about restructuring your environment, routines, and digital habits to support focus naturally. Week 1 is all about awareness. Before you can change your habits, you need to know exactly what's draining your focus. Step 1. Track your digital interactions. For 3 to 5 days, write down every time you pick up your phone, open social media, or check email. Don't judge yourself, just observe. Step 2. Identify focus leaks. Look for apps, websites, and notifications that pull you away from deep work. Maybe it's a news app, an email chain, or even a chat group you don't need to check constantly. Step 3. Create a baseline. Notice how long you can stay focused without interruption. Even 15 minutes of uninterrupted work is a starting point. Finally, experiment with digital detox hours. Set a block of 1 to 2 hours each day where you intentionally disconnect from distractions. Use this time for meaningful work, reading, or creative tasks. Track your energy and focus levels. This awareness lays the foundation for the next 3 weeks. In week 2, we focus on your environment. Your workspace either supports deep work or it sabotages it. Start by decluttering your desk. Every extra object is a potential distraction. A minimalist workspace signals your brain, this is focus time. Next, set boundaries for devices. Turn off notifications, mute apps, or place your phone out of reach during work sessions. Physical cues, like a closed laptop sleeve or a dedicated focus area, help signal to your brain that it's deep work time. Introduce ultradian rhythms into your schedule. Research shows that the brain naturally operates in 90-minute cycles of high and low energy. Work in these 90-minute deep focus blocks, followed by 15 to 20-minute breaks. This aligns your work with your biology, dramatically improving concentration and reducing burnout. Week 2 is all about designing a workspace that makes focus the easy default choice. By week 3, it's time to build sustainable habits that reinforce your deep work. Start with morning routines. Begin your day with one intentional focus session before opening email or social media. This primes your brain for productivity. Next, implement task batching. Group similar tasks together and assign them specific time blocks. Instead of constantly switching between types of work, you create uninterrupted periods where your brain can stay engaged. Use micro breaks strategically. Step away every 60-90 minutes. Stretch, hydrate, or take a quick walk. These breaks recharge your attention and prevent cognitive fatigue. Introduce rituals to signal the start and end of focus sessions. This could be a specific playlist, a cup of tea, or a short meditation. Repetition strengthens the brain's association with focus, making deep work almost automatic. By the end of week 3, you'll notice longer periods of concentration, less mental chatter, and more clarity. Week 4 is about mastering your digital environment for long-term focus. Turn your attention to intentional tech use. Batch process emails, mute unnecessary notifications, and use tools like website blockers to prevent distractions. Evaluate your devices. Do you really need constant social media access, or can it be confined to one 20-minute block? This isn't about quitting technology. It's about using it intentionally. Measure your improvement. Compare focus durations from week 1 to week 4. Track productivity, energy levels, and cognitive clarity. You'll likely notice that you can achieve more in 2 to 3 hours than you used to in an entire day. Finally, build systems to prevent relapse. Keep focus sessions scheduled, maintain a tidy workspace, and regularly audit your digital habits. Over time, deep work becomes a lifestyle, not a temporary experiment. Use ambient noise or focus music to cue your brain into work mode. Turn off autoplay on streaming apps. Even just one video can derail hours of work. Schedule your most important tasks during your natural biological prime time. Pay attention to when your energy naturally peaks. Limit multitasking to 0. Avoid splitting attention between chat apps, emails, and work documents.